Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with this package from Spatie, the Laravel Passkeys, and I'm going to create a project and install this package and show you how you can use this. Also you have here, if we scroll down, not on the installation but on the introduction here, you have here an example of a demo application, but this is not with the latest starter kit. So for that I'm going to create and show you. So let's open the I'm going to open the warp or terminal, what you like, but because I'm using warp, I'm going to open the warp and let's create a fresh Laravel project. So Laravel new, I'm going to name it let's name it YouTube Passkeys. Okay, I'm going to use Livewire built-in, and yes, no Laravel boost. Now also this package uses Livewire. Let's go to installation here, and yeah, if I scroll down, next step, add the authentication component to the login view. As you can see, here's the Livewire Passkeys. Okay, so what we need is just run the composer require Spatie/Laravel Passkeys, and this is not the only package. I think we have more for the passkeys, but Spatie is the best for Laravel packages, also for PHP in general. So I'm going to use this one. Now let's cd in project. Okay, and I'm going to install this. Yeah, we have installation failed. We need to run with all dependencies, and let's do that. And this is going to install the package. Okay, so now let's go on the user and say implements that has passkeys, and also we need to say here interacts with passkeys like this, and we need to save. Next thing, yeah, if you have a different model for the authentication, you can choose and add this one. We need to run a migration, so artisan vendor publish migration, then artisan migrate. Okay, now we need to install the JavaScript dependencies, because this package also is a wrapper of the WebAuthn package, which is for the all languages. So it's for JavaScript, for Go, and so on. So let's install this, copy, and then come here, paste that in, hit enter. Okay, next, in your entry JavaScript file, you must add this one. So I'm going to copy this, and it's going to suggest in the bootstrap.js, but I'm going to add in the app.js file in here. Next thing is to run the npm run build. Okay, so I'm going to open this and just say npm. Next, we need to register the routes. So on the web.php, let's open that, web PHP, and I'm going to add right here vendor publish for the config file. If you want to publish the config file, next step is to add the authentication component to the login view, this one. So I'm going to copy this and then open in our project the login.blade, because we're using Livewire, and I'm going to add it right here. Okay, next add the passkey management component to the profile view. going to leave it like right now and just run this to publish the views for custom styling. And I'm going to show you why I'm going to do that. Okay. So now this is suggesting us to put in the profile view, but let's open this project. Okay, so here is the project. Now we can go and register with a fake viewer. And if I click here on the settings, we have a profile here, but we have a name and email. So I'm not going to add it right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new link only for the passkeys and go and create the passkeys there. Okay. So inside the resources, we have components, settings, layout, and let's just copy and paste this one. I'm going to change the route. The route name is going to be passkeys.create. Here I'm going to say passkeys, and we need to create now this route. So let's open also the web routes, and let's copy and paste this one, which is going to be /passkeys/create. Okay, or manage, not dot, but slash. I'm going to say manage, and the name is passkeys create. Dot create, and maybe also let's say create here. Now we don't have a component for that, so we need to create a component. I'm going to open this and just save as passkeys. Also change the name here to passkeys. Next, on the appearance here, I'm going to save this as passkeys. Change the okay here, yeah. Also we need to say passkeys here. Okay, and let's save, close now this one, and here I'm going to put what we have. Livewire Passkeys. I'm going to save, and let's see if I go to project and refresh. We have passkeys. Click, and yes, here for that I'm going to change the design here. Livewire Passkeys.blade. First I'm going to remove this name, this h1, open, and on the npm run dev, because we're going to make changes on the label, text gray 700, but on dark mode we need to change that to text, let's say gray 300. We are okay. Okay, good. Next, if we put something, okay, good. The button is what we need to change, or what I need to change. I'm going to say PG to be blue, maybe 600, and on hover BG to be blue again, let's say 400. Okay, and I'm going to add around that to Excel. I think now we are very good, or not to Excel, just Excel. I don't like surrounded empty. Now it's okay. Good. And here we have appearance and update the, which we can change from here. Appearance to say passkeys, and subheading manage your passkeys. Okay, yeah, passkeys and manage your passkeys, very good. Let's see if we can create a passkey. I'm going to say test, create, and nothing happened. Inspect the element, go to the console because we have error. Now we need to go, let me just open the heart and this site, which is the YouTube passkeys. I'm going to make secure with HTTPS. So let's say HTTPS. And next, I'm going to open the .env file and change here the localhost to be YouTube passkeys.test and also HTTPS here. I'm going to refresh and just say test again, create, and now, yeah, now I need to touch on my, yeah, and we have this. Just we need to design also this one a little big. So on the passkeys again, if we have a passkey, we have a BG gray, but on dark mode, we need to change that to be BG gray 700. Very good. Text now is gray 700, the same thing on the dark. We just say text gray 300. Okay, so this is the name, last use, and also the button. Also on the hover it's not working, it's not changing, so let's do that. Let's change also on the hover to be BG red and also rounded, not just Excel or maybe MD. And I think we are okay. So on hover, we hover that, good. So we created the passkey. Now we can log out. We can go and log in and we have this link, authenticate using passkeys. I can click here. Now if I touch, okay, and we are there back, we are logged in. Okay friends, that's it, what I wanted to show you in this video. And also a little bit design with the component. So we have now on the settings also the passkeys here. We can create more passkeys. And let me just log out and register with a new user. Let's create this user, not now, but if I go the settings, I'm going to create a passkey for this one also. Let's say Spatie, create this passkey. Okay, now created, log out, and we can log in. Oh yeah, we have two now, so we can select and use the passkey. Okay friends, that's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. Now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. It's going to help me to rank on YouTube. All the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.